All right, so got another pit bike video today. I've only posted a few videos of this bike just because I haven't really posted that much lately, but this is a 2024 CRF110. I have a ridiculous amount of things done to it. I'm not really going to go over that now unless I get some comments of people that want to kind of know about some of the mods. Suspension, pipe, tune, throttle body, intake, dress-up kits, chain, swing arm, seat, all kinds of shit done to it. But what I am going to talk about today is the rear brakes. So anybody that rides these, especially adults, heavier people, you're always on the brakes. I ride this thing pretty hard, trail ride, hill climb. So I went through 3 sets of drum brakes in the beginning, always adjusting the rear brakes the whole time that we're riding. They're not ideal. So I seen that the company DMC Diamond Minis made an adapter kit, as you can see here, to put rear disc brakes on the CRF110. And I've never seen one YouTube video about this, which is kind of crazy. It really wasn't that much money at all, but as you can see here, full disc brake setup on the back. Master cylinder is all nicely connected to the stock point. So Diamond Minis makes this adapter right here that bolts the caliper on. You use the same stock rear axle bolt. You use the same everything back here. It comes with all the bolts to bolt the caliper on, and it slides back and forth, so you still get your chain adjustability. So that bracket came, all the bolts came, and also the bracket here to mount the master cylinder on. And then you can see this little hose goes up here to the resi pot. Probably can't see that in there, but where it holds the fluid. So super nice install, really. It wasn't that bad. 1 bracket, 2 brackets, and it was pretty much all direct fit. Came with all the nice hardware. And what you use is, it's all KX65 parts. So KX65 caliper, KX65 rotor, KX65 wheel, and a KX65 master cylinder. Every Kawasaki KX65 is the same, anywhere from whenever they were made, I don't know, 80s, 90s, all the way up to, as of recently, 2023, 2024, all parts are the same. So you can get these brand new on Partzilla. You can get these aftermarket on factory mini bikes. You can get them used on eBay. I mean, literally anywhere where you want to get a wheel, master cylinder, and a caliper from, have at it. So for less than 500 bucks, all parts included, wheel, installation, caliper, rotor. You do have to get a new sprocket on the other side. As you can see, I went with a Vortex sprocket. Pretty sweet. Master cylinder, brake hose, brake fluid, resi pot, everything. Somewhere around 450 bucks. But man, is it impressive. I mean, like right now, that's full brakes. Extremely nice adjustment here. On point brakes. I've rode it 3 times, never lost brake pressure, no fluid. I mean, you shouldn't, but it's nice to have hydraulic brakes rather than drum brakes, especially for a highly modified pit bike. So anybody that's looking to do a rear brake swap on a CRF110, very easy. I'm more than willing to do, kind of a whole how-to video, take it all back apart, but I'll put some links in the description. And yeah, you can have rear disc brakes on your CRF110.